Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will review Upgrade Loan. The Upgrade provides personal loans with flexible terms and competitive interest rates. You can borrow between $1,000 and $50,000 with repayment periods ranging from 36 to 60 months.